basically, this is exhaust day. Hopefully today is exhaust day. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But I would cold start it, but it's not gonna be cold at all. I was just driving this. But this is my Lexus gs350 F Sport. It already has a Takata intake into it right now, and let me see, do a cold start or a warm start. See, it's quiet. We're gonna fix that. Press here. That was like all intake. We're gonna get the exhaust right. I got, so right now, these are the two rear mufflers. These are two rear mufflers. Valves. Got a little box for the electronic stuff. Over here, these are the two resonators that are gonna replace the old resonators in this car because they're too quiet. And this is the X pipe, which I'm gonna do a secondary cat delete. It has two sets of cats, so this is gonna replace the cats and add better sound. And I think it adds a little bit more power, not really too much, but it's more performance orientated.
What's that? What's that, brother?
I speak. But that's what I got. That's what we're gonna do for right now. Gotta go take it to the shop because they gotta cut everything under here. I don't know if you can see it for real, but these mufflers, they gotta cut all that. They gotta cut all that down there. Put them drinks on.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Probably cut this whole section out. You got an X pipe right here.
I don't have one.
Well, what we'll do is cut these here, put the X in here, and extend this out. I think one of these is going to have to sit this way.
Okay.
There's no way around it.
That's fine.
What we're going to do is just we're going to take the secondary, take these out, put the resonators, and add the mufflers. Start cutting that.
NT, you made this? NT, you made this?
Yeah, she nice. I appreciate it,
No
man.
problem.
All right.
All right, man. No
Thank you.
tickets for a week.
I'll try. It's crazy. It sounds crazy. Hold on. I'll put it in sport. Sport plus. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh, I'm about to get in trouble with this. What y'all doing? Everything?
Yeah, we're doing the brakes, we're doing the front part, we're doing everything.
It's rusty, bad.
I know it's real bad. Yeah, I ripped the piece off right there. Really rusty. The whole underneath the car is rusty. Rusty, musty.
Where
I
was this
in the
at?
area, I don't know. I was in the area where there's nothing but salt and water and rust. What are you doing?
Recording.
Wow. Okay. You gonna edit it?
Edit what?
Whatever. You post it.
Yeah, of course.
I don't want to be on there.
Why not? Here's all the wires. Go hook up. These go to the things. This goes in the car. I'm gonna put it under here somewhere. We'll figure it out.
Hi, Mind your business and get your own ramps.
Why?
Mind your business and get your own ramps.
You have to do the disrespect. Nobody's trying to disrespect
What, you bought a new rim?
No.
God!
Why would I buy a new rim?
You putting a donut on?
No.
What are you doing?
You want to look under there? Under the car.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. What did you do?
Huh?
What you do?
I gotta wire up the mufflers right now.
Wire them up. Mufflers don't even daggone wires.
They're active. It's on quiet right now. We got the X pipe, the resonators, and
Where you
the
do that?
mufflers.
You went somewhere?
Yeah, my muffler shop today.
Oh, I'm so surprised. Oh! What's that? That's so crazy. I didn't know.
I gotta open it right now. They're both closed.
Oh, you can't open them now?
Now I gotta plug them up.
I didn't realize.
They're not wired up to nothing right now.
They sound different now. Surprised us like that. Yo, you're a piece of trash.
Oh my God, you can hear it. That sounds kind of good though. And it's still closed.
I like that little low rumble. You hear it?
Mm-hmm.
That's still closed. That's crazy. So when you open it, it's going to be stupid.
Yeah.
This guy is insane. I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police.
That's why I need the ramp so I can get under there and hook them up. I'm running it
Yeah,
through
take
that
all
thing.
this out? Oh,
Because I'm running
it's
it.
in the way.
Yeah, I'm running it.
You got to plug it to
Through
what?
one of those holes.
Paris.
That's the little
Oh,
box.
this is stuff to go with it? You going to put this on?
I got zip tie it or glue it or not
We
glue
got
it.
zip ties.
Tape it or something.
So you
Somewhere.
got run it, you'll run it through that hole or both holes? Because one on this side, right? One on that side?
Yeah, I'm gonna probably run both of them through that hole. Because I think the cords are long enough to reach each side.
They're running them up in here. You're not running nothing down to it. Oh, you running? Yeah,
I'm
this run down.
Yeah, that's run down.
Okay.
That goes to the
waterproof?
cigarette lighter,
Or not waterproof?
which I want to run through the trunk, whatever.
Did a cigarette lighter?
Yeah.
You can't hard.
I mean, I can hardwire it later, but I ain't
Right
probably
now.
gonna do it right now.
Oh, okay.
Because we got a cigarette lighter in the back. So I just plug it up in the one in the back.
Mm-hmm.
It was a good
Some money your business?
Yeah, it was a good surprise.
No. No, because I ain't no telling how much you just spent.
Huh? I did my research. I tried to get the cheapest as possible.
I didn't ask you all that.
Hmm?
I didn't ask you all that. I still know that my son spent a couple $100.
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. To do that and to buy the exhaust.
Yeah, but I bought the exhaust time ago.
You bought it a long time ago?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Oh, so you've been snuck this in here in the house.
Yeah.
Or in the trunk.
I'm surprised you didn't see like on the camera like all these boxes going in there.
No, like that camera go off so much I stopped looking. I be figuring either y'all outside watching. I don't look every time. I like look. The only time I kind of want to look if it go off is at nighttime.
Nighttime. All right. I did not know it was that loud. Oh, those brakes need to get changed. I'm gonna fix those today.